think we're ready. So this next one is from, it was a 1970s Disney animation called Aristocats. And really, lots of really cool songs came out of Disney studios, I think. This one's called Everybody Wants to Be a Cat. 1, 2.